Okay, so, yeah, I guess this is after me trying to hold him back. I got into this sneezing fish, and I quickly had to turn on the camera so I could catch them all. Worst of it was a few minutes ago. Can't even speak from them. The last one was a few minutes ago. Oh my god, this one's stuck. One second, let me turn on the light. The light always makes me sneeze. No, I'm gonna turn it on. Yeah, I guess. Yeah. Try not to make this long. It's just, yeah. This is what always happens every time I try and hold them all back. And I just had to put this on YouTube. Sorry. I'm so tired. Oh god. Yeah, I guess it's just that, I haven't uploaded videos because I was really busy. And, and, yeah. Sorry, I just lose concentration every time I have to sneeze, so every time I have to sneeze, you know, I lose concentration and forget what I'm talking. Ugh.